my name is Terry Ann Clark. I'm a yoga instructor slash boutique owner, and just a little FYI, I was always a heels person, but since COVID, I've been a little bit more relaxed with my style, but still classic, still timeless. So I tend to put together timeless pieces with affordable pieces.
Hi, my name is Daniela Bravo. I'm a medical esthetician and I work at Supreme Ventures right now as customer experience and retail. What I'm wearing today is from Endless Rose. My shoes are from Chanel, handbag from Gucci, glasses from Dior. Hi everyone, my name is TONI SPENCE and today I'm wearing my favorite Michael Kors, I don't know what you call these, sneakers with a heel? Heel sneakers. And these pants are by The Chemist. It's an online boutique in the UK. I love her stuff, a black female designer. And the bodysuit is from my other favorite place in the world, Zara. Yeah. And my bag is also from Zara. And I chose this bag because I love the raffia natural look of it, which feels, you know, very Caribbean. We've evolved and women are evolving and we're getting more confident in being ourselves and being as comfortable as possible.
Hi everyone, my name is RACQUEL and today I'm wearing something very easy and glam. I'm wearing a Zara top, can I tell you? And I'm my Gucci bag, my Gucci glasses, Chanel watch, and my Jeffrey Bean. My Jeffrey Campbell is a designer out of LA. And why am I wearing this? Because I can.
My name is Deborah Richards. I'm wearing full black today. My handbag is from Steel Level. Also my shoes, which is a nice leopard to complement the black, is from Bella Marie. I chose the leopard because it pairs well with the black. You know, instead of doing full black like I usually do, I just pop a little leopard color to it to kind of give it that edge.
Hi, my name is MEKELIA Green. I'm an attorney at law and I absolutely love to bring my personal style, whether it's in a corporate, arena or at a laid back event. So today I'm wearing my favorite 9 West heels along with my NK bag to accessorize. When I'm in office, I just like to add a little pizzazz because I find that corporate looks can be a little bit mundane, so I like to extra it up a little bit.
Hi, I'm KENEEA LINTON-GEORGE and I'm wearing an angel sleeve cocktail vest by yours truly, KENEEA Linton. So one of my favorite bags for going out is my Mateo New York Elizabeth bag. It holds everything I need when I'm going to a party. It holds my makeup, my phone, and my car keys. And my shoes are my favorite Louboutin heels because they are 6 inches high, and when I'm hanging out with models, I can be at the same height.
Hi, I'm Laurie Robinson, and today I'm wearing YSL Saint Laurent. That's my favorite brand. This bag, it's my favorite go-to bag because it's a neutral and it goes with almost anything. These are very fabulous, and of course, if I have to step out in style for the first time after the pandemic, these are the ones that I would choose for sure.
Hi, I'm AMOI ISSA. I'm wearing shoes from Christian Louboutin, and I'm wearing these because they sparkle, and who doesn't need a little sparkle nowadays? My purse is from Yves Saint Laurent. I've had it for quite a while. I've never worn it before, so why not today?